So this is the inspiration by Life Pretty Hacks. And this is what I made. Ta-da! So I found these long wooden oval bowls from HomeSense. They were about $25. I bought these chicken wire mesh from Home Depot for about $14. Here I am just cutting a small piece so that I can create a wire frame, like a base for where the flowers can sit and kind of have a place to stay. So keep scrunching it to the shape of your bowl. Here I am just making sure that it fits nicely in the middle of this bowl, and I've also put it down with double-sided tape so that it doesn't move anywhere. And at this moment, it really is a trust the process moment. You gotta take it down, you gotta put it here, move it over there, maybe restart, redo. Just keep playing with it, have fun with it, find a good balance between the left and the right, and it really takes the final details at the end to really see it all come together. The good thing about this is you really can't go wrong, and if you want, you can also just find an inspiration online and then just copy it exactly, like with the exact flowers and everything. Hope this helped.